6 on the list is the surgical robot. Sleek and precise, this robot redefines what we know about medical science. Guided by the steady hands of human surgeons, these robots perform intricate operations with a level of accuracy that surpasses human capabilities. Their key features: precision, reliability, and the ability to work tirelessly. Their impact: a revolution in healthcare, making surgeries safer, quicker, and less invasive. Next, at number 5, we find the farming robot. This isn't your typical John Deere tractor. It's a high-tech marvel of engineering. It can plant, water, and harvest crops with an efficiency that leaves traditional methods in the dust. Its key features: autonomy, sustainability, and high productivity. Its impact: a potential solution to the world's growing food needs, making farming more efficient and less labor-intensive. 4th on our list is the rescue robot. Pause for dramatic effect. Suspenseful background music begins to play. Unflinching in the face of danger, this marvel of technology ventures into disaster-stricken landscapes, the risks humans cannot. Montage of rescue robots in action during disasters begins to roll. It can pinpoint survivors, swiftly deliver supplies, and even undertake minor repairs. The key distinctions of this robot: its resilience, versatility, and its extraordinary ability to function in extreme conditions. The impact: it becomes a lifesaver, stepping into the wake of natural disasters and perilous situations, where every ticking second is a matter of life or death. Sliding into the 3rd spot, we have the companion robot. More than just a machine, this robot can provide companionship to the elderly, the lonely, or those in need of a friendly interaction. Its key features: emotional intelligence, interactive capabilities, and user-friendliness. Its impact: alleviating loneliness and providing emotional support, making it a valuable ally in mental health care. Number 2 brings us the space exploration robot. This is not just a robot, it's an astronaut. It can explore the farthest reaches of space, surviving in conditions that would be fatal to humans. Its key features: robustness, longevity, and, of course, the ability to function in zero gravity. Its impact: uncovering the mysteries of the universe, paving the way for future human exploration and potential colonization. And finally, at number 1, the crown jewel of robotics, the AI-driven robot. This robot doesn't just follow commands. It learns, adapts, and evolves, pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence. Its key features: advanced learning algorithms, adaptability, and autonomous decision-making capabilities. Its impact: endless possibilities across all sectors, from industry to entertainment, education to healthcare, redefining the interface between humans and machines. So, there you have it. 6 robots that are not just changing the world, but shaping the future. From surgical precision to emotional companionship, from disaster rescue to space exploration, from efficient farming to artificial intelligence, these robots represent the cutting edge of technology. They are not just machines, they are harbingers of a new era, where technology and humanity intertwine in ways that were once only the stuff of science fiction. Welcome to the future. It's already here.